Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to announce new job on LinkedIn. So when you start a new position, you can announce it on LinkedIn by creating a post and tagging your employer if you like. So here's how you can do it. Firstly, open any of the browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's this address bar. Type down linkedin.com and enter it. So once you're over here under this LinkedIn homepage, you need to select this start a post in the top. So from here, you can write your announcement. You can mention your new job title here as well. And here you can also type the companies that you have joined, followed by the company name to tag it if available. And you can write a brief note about what excites you about the role and a thank you to mentors, colleagues, friends, or family. And you can also add a photo over here on the bottom. You can add any media, such as professional headshot or a profile picture of your first day. And after that, you need to click onto this icon that says share that you're hiring. And you need to proceed onto it and follow the on-screen instruction. And you need to select onto your profile icon in the top and make sure it is anyone on or off the LinkedIn. And after you're done, you can simply select post and that is it. This is how you can announce new job on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.